Hi students, welcome to our Easy Biology. Today our topic pyruvate dehydrogenase complex. Pyruvate dehydrogenase complex is a mitochondrial multi-enzyme complex. That is a multi-enzyme complex that is composed of three different enzymes. First one is a pyruvate dehydrogenase. Pyruvate dehydrogenase otherwise called as E1 enzyme. E1. Second one, dihydrolipoyl transacetylase or dihydrolipamide acetyl transferase enzyme. This is also otherwise called as E2. Next, third enzyme is dihydrolipoyl dehydrogenase or dihydrolipamide dehydrogenase enzyme. This is other name E3. Next, the multi-enzyme complex contains 5 different coenzymes. 5 different coenzymes. That first one is TPP. TPP is a thymine pyrophosphate. That is a vitamin B1. Next, second one is a NAD+. That is a vitamin B3. Next, third one is a FAD. That FAD is a vitamin B2. Next, fourth one is a coenzyme. CoA. That is also vitamin B complex, that is a pantothenic acid. Next, fifth one is a lipoate or lipoic acid. Next, we will discuss the steps. Pyruvic acid reacted with coenzyme TPP. Here, with the help of enzyme pyruvate dehydrogenase or E1 enzyme. Here, this step decarboxylation takes place to the product hydroxyethyl TPP. First, pyruvic acid. This pyruvic acid react with TPP with the help of pyruvate dehydrogenase enzyme or E1. The carbon dioxide is removed from carboxyl group of pyruvic acid, CO2. Then TPP is joined to here, the hydrogen molecule is joined to this O groups. So, CH3, C, OH, the double bond is break down. So, converted to single bond. The TPP is attached with this group. This is here hydroxyethyl TPP. Hydroxyethyl TPP. This is the first step. Next, second step reaction, that hydroxyethyl TPP is reacted with lipamide. That lipamide is a oxidized form. Here transformation takes place. Next step. Lipamide, that is the oxidized form. Here transformation takes place. The step is a second step. That enzyme is dihydrolipoyl transacetylase enzyme, other name is E2. E2 enzyme. Here transformation is takes place. So our product name is acetyl dihydrolipamide, and the TPP molecule is removed. This hydrogen is joined to those S groups. This is a acetyl dihydrolipamide. Third step, coenzymes SHCOA enters into this reaction and to form acetyl CoA. CH3, C double bond O, SCOA. This hydrogen groups join to the spot. So S hydrogen groups, that is a lipoamide. That is the reduced form. Next, fourth step. In fourth step, third enzyme is involved. The third enzyme is a dihydrolipoyl dehydrogenase enzyme, that is the E3 enzyme. Here FAD molecules enter into this reaction. The FAD is converted into FADH2. Fourth step, E3 enzymes involved. FAD is enters into this reaction. From the reduced form of lipomide, two hydrogen molecules is joined to this group. So FAD is converted to FADH2. Next, the reduced form of lipomide is converted to oxidized form of lipomide. Next, that FADH2 is again converted into FAD. Next, fifth step. The fifth step is NAD is converted into NADH plus and hydrogen ions. Fifth step, NAD is converted into NADH plus hydrogen ions. That NADH and hydrogen ions is enters into electron transport chain. Their ATP molecules is produced. The pyruvate dehydrogenase complex catalyzes through 5 sequential reactions the oxidative decarboxylation of pyruvate and alpha keto acid to form a carbon dioxide molecule and the acetyl group of acetyl CoA with the release of 2 electrons carried by NAD. Thank you students. Thanks for watching this video.